Good afternoon, everyone. This is a lesson of Unit 12, number 2, to convert metric units. We will do similar to what we did in the previous lesson about converting or conversion of customer units. But metric units are used internationally. مستخدمة في كل دول العالم، فهي معروفة عند الأغلب، صغير وكبير. Let us start the lesson. Here is the slide of metric units. So what are the units regarding length or length units? They are kilometer, everyone knows that. Meter, so kilometer is larger than meter, so you multiply. When you convert from meter to kilometer, it's from smaller to larger, so you divide. And do similarly to others. So from meter to centimeter, there is 100 times. So meter is larger than centimeter 100 times. So, and so on. Centimeter is 10 times as long as millimeter. So if you have 1 centimeter, for example, it has 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters. M. Here are the symbols. Kilometer can be written as km, meter as m, centimeter as cm, and millimeter as mm. What are the weight units? هي وحدات الوزن. We use kilogram, not ton or pound. Remember the customer units? Here we use gram. The difference between them, 1,000 times. So kilogram is 1,000 times more than gram. 1 gram is 1,000 times more than smaller unit. It is milligram. mg. Gram can be written as g symbol, and the symbol of kilogram is kg. What about volume units? الحجم. كيف نقيس حجم السوائل على سبيل المثال؟ كيلو لتر هو كبير جدا في 1000 لتر. الليتر هو بحجم علبة الحليب، مثلا المراعي اللي ناخذها دائما من المول أو من السوبر ماركت، هي 1 لتر. In customary units they use quart, if you remember. The kiloliter is more than liter by 100 times. The liter has 1,000 milliliter. Okay, so from large to small you multiply, from small to large you divide, and do the same, nothing new. Just I will give you few examples. Here we need to convert from liter to milliliter. What you do? Liter is larger than milliliter, so I multiply by what? Go back to the table. From liter to milliliter, I multiply by 1,000. See, I can write 3 multiplied by 1,000 equal 3,000 milliliter. How you multiply number? When you multiply, don't cross out zeros. Multiply numbers. 3 times 1, 3, and move the 0. So 3 and move the 3 0. The answer will be 3,000 milliliter. Now we need to convert from milliliter to liter, from small to large. Okay, let us go back from milliliter to liter. From milliliter to liter, I divide by 1,000. Let us divide by 1,000. I say 100 to teach you how to divide numbers that have zeros by 1,000. When in division, when both factors or dividend and divisor have zeros, you can cross out the same number of zeros. I cross 0 from here, cross 0 from here. Cross another 0, cross another 0. Now 1 divided by 10. See, 10 is called power of 10. If you remember in the second trimester, we learned how to divide by power of 10. We move the decimal point. If, for example, here it's better clear, not to confuse you, divided by 10. I look for the decimal point. Where is the decimal point in whole number? It is here. I move it to left because the number will be smaller. One digit because here I have 1 0. I move it one digit, it will be here. So no whole numbers, I put 0. So the answer is 0.1. Let us do another difficult one. Okay, here from milligram to gram. Milligram is small, gram is larger. So you divide. You say 70 divided by, the difference between them is 1000. I will show you. From milligram to gram. From milligram to gram, you divide by 1000, see? Let us do it. Now, I have 1 0 here, 1 0 across. Now, 7 divided by 100. 100 is power of 10. So, the decimal point is here. I move it one time and another time because I have 2 0. Okay? So, the decimal point is here. The empty places I put 0. So, the answer is 0.07. Okay? That is the answer. Gram. And you can do the same with other questions. And see you in the next lesson, inshallah, with a new video. Goodbye.